Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming the simplest but essential prerequisites so you can act fast. First, power down and reseat the SIM. An improperly seated SIM often forces emergency-only behavior. Next, check your carrier account and outage alerts so you know whether this is local provisioning. If unpaid service exists, calls are blocked. Once done, toggle airplane mode and reboot into the preferred network mode, 4G or 5G, to prompt fresh registration with the cellular network. Now you force re-registration and isolate the failure source. Manually select your carrier in settings to avoid roaming or wrong APN selection. Using the exact MCC/MNC helps if automatic choice fails. Reset network settings to clear corrupted caches and install any carrier updates to restore registration. If voice over LTE or IMS features are enabled, temporarily disable them to test legacy voice routing. Then try an alternate SIM to determine whether the problem is the device or the carrier provisioning. Finally, complete the recovery and have a clear escalation path. Gather diagnostics like EMA, signal strength, and timestamps of failed attempts so the carrier can reprovision your service remotely or authorize a SIM replacement. Call carrier support from another line or use online chat to avoid being restricted by your affected device. If they advise it, perform a factory reset only after backing up data. This removes persistent configuration faults. If things still fail, the key troubleshooting tip is to test with a known good SIM in a known good phone to pinpoint carrier versus handset issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.